Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 599 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story from Outlook Money shines a spotlight on a generation that is rewriting the rules of financial planning, Gen Z. In a world of rising healthcare costs, it is easy for a young person just starting their career to think insurance is a distant concern. Young adults are awakening to the profound wisdom of securing health insurance early, and the benefits are absolutely fantastic. When you are young, fit, and full of life, insurance premiums are at their absolute lowest. It is like getting a VIP pass to a world-class security system for a fraction of the price. But this is about so much more than just saving money. It is about building a foundation of unwavering security. It is the freedom to chase that dream job, to backpack across the country, or to launch a startup. All with the incredible peace of mind that comes from knowing you are protected. Our very own Bhaskar Nerurkar, Head of Health Administration Team of Bajaj General Insurance, puts it perfectly when he says, with rising medical inflation and lifestyle-related diseases on the rise, it is imperative for Gen Z to secure a health insurance plan early. The earlier they invest, the lower the premiums they pay, and they also get to serve the waiting periods for pre-existing diseases, if any, at a younger age. Our next story from Business Standard highlights a report from Mumbai that reveals a remarkable 38% surge in growth for standalone health insurers in October. So, what's fueling this incredible wave? It is a combination of two powerful forces. First, there was a significant release of pent-up demand, meaning countless individuals and families who had been considering health insurance finally took the leap, deciding that their well-being was a top priority. However, the true game changer was a remarkably supportive government move, reducing the GST on individual health insurance premiums from 18% to 0%. And here's the most inspiring part. The entire insurance industry, in a remarkable show of commitment, passed on this entire benefit directly to you, the consumer. This made health plans suddenly more affordable, opening the doors for millions to secure their family's future. Next, we turn to a story from The Hindu, highlights about a reminder that care extends beyond policies and premiums. The Chennai state government has launched a special, dedicated medical camp exclusively for journalists. This initiative is so much more than just a health checkup. It is a powerful act of recognition and gratitude. Think about it. Journalists work tirelessly, often under immense pressure, odd hours, and in high-stress environments to bring us the news that shapes our world. This camp acknowledges the unique sacrifices and health challenges of its participants. By offering specialized services, the government is sending a clear and compassionate message. We see you, we value you, and we want to take care of you. It is a shining example of community-focused healthcare that reaches out to a vital profession, ensuring that the very people who keep society informed are themselves healthy, strong, and cared for. And for our final story today, from The Hindu, highlights the role of third-party administrators or TPAs in health insurance. So, what is a TPA? Think of them as your personal claim caretaker or a helpful navigator, the dedicated bridge that connects you, the hospital, and your insurance company to ensure your cashless claim process is as smooth as possible. Now, while the system is designed to be efficient, we understand that sometimes the journey can have a few bumps. The truly positive news is that the industry is not only aware of these challenges, but it is also actively and passionately working to simplify the entire experience. Innovations like direct claim settlements and integrated digital platforms are making the process more transparent and customer friendly than ever before. For you, the key takeaway is that knowledge is power. Simply knowing who your TPA is and having your policy details readily available can significantly enhance your experience. This industry-wide focus on improvement is a sign of a maturing, caring ecosystem that listens to its customers and strives to make insurance a truly supportive and seamless partner in times of need. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.